We made it to 300 subscribers. If you're wondering what's on my forehead, I'm wondering the exact same thing too. Basically, Bob Ross did a painting and I followed what he said to do, and this is the result. If you want to see how I did this, and if you just want to see me try to paint my face, keep on watching. So please, please, for the amount of hours that I just put into my forehead, can you just like the video? And if you'd like to subscribe, I'd love that even more. I finally reached 300 subscribers. This is my gift to my subscribers. This is a little challenge I wanted to do, so please like this video. Please subscribe, and please hit the notification bells to be notified every time I upload a new video. If you share this video on any social media platform, I shout you out in a future video. Just please make sure you tag me, that way I can actually see that you shouted me out. And with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video.